Hi guys, do you ever have this problem? How much easier is that?
Clearview recently sent me their Easy Slide fridge slide to try out, and it's actually really cool. It has this handy mechanism that lets you lower your fridge so that you can actually see what's inside. It looks like it needs a lot of muscle to push it down, but it actually doesn't. The weight of the fridge does that for you. You can actually do it one-handed if you wanted. See? Easy peasy. My 7-year-old can actually do this, and even grandma can do it one-handed. It's really easy. So I'm actually going to show you how it works. So there's a little lock here. This just flicks to the right to unlock it. When you're forward driving or even just driving normally, we just keep it flicked to the left, and that stops your fridge sliding around in there. Grab these two little handles to pull your slide out. And this is where the magic happens. This little trigger here, we pull it in and we just push down. See, easy. And now we're at a height where short people like me can actually get into the fridge. It also means I don't have to keep getting up when the kids want something, because they can now reach into the fridge themselves as well. Same for putting it back up. As I said before, the gas struts do most of the work for you. All you need to do is push down and pull in the little trigger, and you can even do it one-handed. So no pushing is required. And again, to close it away, and then we lock it back up.